So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone CarPlay app missing after new iOS 17 developer beta. As you can see, there is no CarPlay app in my iPhone showing right now. You can see appears on screen every folder on home screen, and you can see appears on screen also not showing here CarPlay app. So how to get back it on iPhone home screen, how to fix CarPlay not showing on iPhone home screen. Let's start video without wasting any time. Firstly, you need to open your iPhone setting app. Okay, in setting app you need to scroll down, and as you can see showing here screen time. Okay, tap on there. Now scroll down again and you can see appears on screen content and privacy restriction. Tap on that. You can see appears on screen showing here allowed app. Tap on also. Okay, you can see appears on screen CarPlay showing here, but it's toggle off. Just turn it on back. Okay, now close that and wait for a moment. It will appears on iPhone home screen. Okay, it will take some time to appear back on iPhone home screen. If that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. Tap on iPhone settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on shutdown and restart your mobile after 5 to 10 seconds, and then you will get back your iPhone CarPlay app on your iPhone home screen. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone CarPlay app not showing on iPhone home screen after update iOS 17. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.